In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Microsoft Teams. If you use Teams for chats, meetings, files, and collaboration, knowing how to search properly can save you a lot of time. Instead of scrolling through long conversations or clicking through different channels, you can use the search feature to quickly find the message, person, or file you need. To get started, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your browser. Once Teams is open, look to the very top of the window. You'll see the main search bar there, and this is where almost all of your searching begins. Click directly into that search bar so your cursor is active and ready for typing. Now, type your keyword. This is useful when you're trying to find a specific topic, phrase, or message, but you may not remember exactly where it appeared. For example, you can search for the name of a project, a meeting topic, or a word that was used in a conversation. Teams will use that keyword to look across relevant content and help bring up matching results. If your keyword is too broad, you may see a lot of results, so using a more specific term can help narrow things down. You can also use the same search bar to look for a coworker. If you're trying to find a person quickly, type their name. Depending on your organization's setup, you may also be able to search using their work email address or phone number. This can be helpful when you need to open a chat, check someone's profile, or locate shared interactions connected to that person. Just make sure you're using work-related contact details and avoid including any private or sensitive information when demonstrating this process. Another useful option is searching for a file. If you know the name of the document, spreadsheet, presentation, or other file you need, type the file name directly into the same search bar. This is especially helpful when a file has been shared in a chat or channel and you don't want it to go back through the full conversation to find it. Even entering part of the file name can often help surface the right result, as long as the wording is distinctive enough. That's all it takes to search effectively in Microsoft Teams. Open Teams, click the search bar at the top, and then search by keyword, by coworker, or by file name, depending on what you need to find. Once you get used to it, this becomes one of the fastest ways to navigate Teams and stay productive throughout your day.